That's because Amy over there is, you know, kind of broken. The tire is kind of falling off. I'll just talk to you later when I have gas and stuff. So she's obviously not running 100%. Like I'm not even full, that's full throttle. But it's backfiring like crazy though. You know, probably he knows me. He's the one that saved me from the cops. Man, I miss this thing so much. This is my first dirt bike ever. Yeah, crap. Left turns are my weakness. Oh my god, I see 7. I wish I could smoke it on this thing. Alright, I'll be right back once I try fixing it for the 3rd time. Okay, so this is, I don't know what I did, but I got it working. Actually, I do know what I did. There's these like little prong things that go into the, oh crap, ignition coil. Into the ignition coil. And, yeah, they're kind of loose, so I just fixed them. Yeah. Nice bike. Is that yours? Oh. It's my little 50. my cousin crashed it, so you know, can make some pretty good right turns. Yeah. All right, you have a good day, man. Yeah, this is the OG place, so I used to ride this thing. Oh god, this is scary. My cousin crashed it months ago, like during Christmas time. Like, no, before even, no, wait, yeah, after Christmas. But I ride this thing really hard for its condition, and it's not okay. Yeah. Dude, this thing breaks everyone's neck because it's just how tiny it is. My GoPro's about to die, so if it dies, or if I just have like an awkward ending, or just cuts. Oh. Like I took it down there once, or my dad did really. It is my first bike. I didn't have a name for it. Like this thing is smashed, guys. See, this thing flipped. This thing flipped in the air when he crashed. It's been to hell and back, alright? Like literally. My cousin, he fractured his arm on this. It was just that bad of a crash.
That was the brake squeal and not the tires. You out.
You want to race? Oh crap, I have like 2%. Let's go. Want to race? Alright. I miss this thing so much. Yeah. Oh, wait. It hurt? Are you okay? Are you okay? Come on. There you go. You good?
It feels like I broke my leg.
You think you broke your legs? Can you get on it? You got it? Oh, she got it. Okay. I keep reaching for the clutch. Ah, she won. Oh, she got that arm pump in.
They're fun.
Yeah.